What is going on, guys? Quick video for you guys today. Today I'm going to give you my reasoning behind not using the factory recommended oil on my brand new Audi Allroad. As you can see, doing an oil change. Got the old oil in the oil extractor. If you go on the sticker right here, it says use engine oil 0W30. And I am doing an engine oil change with 0W40, slightly thicker oil than the recommended. You gotta understand, in this day and age, when a manufacturer builds a new vehicle, they have to comply with very strict fuel economy standards and emission standards for 2023 and onwards, as opposed to 30-20 years ago, right? Today's standards are way more tough, way more demanding. They're trying to squeeze out as much fuel economy out of these engines as much as they can, and the only way to do that is to use a slightly thinner grade of engine oil. Now, the drawback to that is you get less engine protection as opposed to using a thicker oil. And in Europe, same exact car actually uses 0W40, believe it or not. So you're sacrificing your engine protection for a little bit better fuel economy just so they could pass their tests and regulations. If you look at this car, looks pretty new under here, right? This car only has less than 15,000 miles on it. It's still essentially a brand new car, but if you look over here at the valve cover or the cam tray, let's look over here. Look at that. There's an oil leak already on this brand new car because the oil is just way too thin. It just starts seeping right out. I also had a 2013 Audi A4 and the same sort of thing happened. Previous owner was using the recommended 5W30 oil instead of the 5W40 like they should have been using. And it only had 100,000 miles and it had 10 different oil leaks. It was consuming oil, leaking oil. It was just a mess. Also, keep in mind, this is a turbocharged vehicle. There's tons of pressure inside the block from the turbocharger. It takes on a lot of wear and a lot of beating. And thicker oil just gives you a little bit more protection. You guys must be thinking, well, if this is so bad, then why does the dealership recommend it? Why is the dealership telling me to use this oil? Why is the manufacturer telling me to use this oil? Well, let me tell you, the manufacturer and the dealership, they do not have your best interest. For them, as long as the car lasts past the warranty period, where they can sell you another motor or another car once your engine blows up or starts burning oil, that's all that matters. Fuel economy is all they care about. They don't care about engine protection these days. They just care about the warranty period. That's it. Now, honestly, I don't care what any of you so-called experts will tell me in the comments section. 0W30 is way too thin, especially with the 15,000 mile oil changes intervals. Like, are you kidding me? 15,000, 10,000 mile oil change intervals, and you're using 0W30 on a high pressure turbocharged vehicle? Let that sink in for a second. Think about that real hard. So this is exactly my reasoning why I use 0W40 in my brand new car instead of the recommended 0W30. I still get, with the 0W weight, I still get that really nice cold start flow, but when it warms up, I get that really nice 40 weight protection, which is what they should have done in the first place, like they did when they had the 502 oil in all their Audis, which was 5W40. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will catch you guys in the next one.